Hello, Adrian from INCOSE here. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for INCOSE Systems Engineering Certification. You'll start by navigating to portal.incose.org. That will take you here. If you do not have an INCOSE ID, you're simply going to click Sign Up. Enter your email address and choose a password. Once you do have an INCOSE ID, you can log in either here or you can go directly to incose.org and click the Manage Account button in the upper right-hand corner. This takes you to your INCOSE profile. And if you ever need to know your INCOSE ID, it's right next to your name. Next up, I'm going to look for the certifications dropdown. As you can see, I've got some options. I can apply, I can view my certification application, view the certification, register for the exam, view my registrations, or search the certification directory. I'll choose this first option. Next up, let's go for the ASEP. The most important thing on this page is the link to our current pricing table. I'm just going to go ahead and double check that I know how much my application fee is. In certain countries, you can get a reduced application fee. Now that I know how much I'm going to be paying, I'm going to click the Submit Application/Renewal button. As you can see, most of my information has already pre-populated, so I just have to click Next. On the left, you can see 3 circles to let you know where you are in the application process. So here, I'm just going to click Yes, I have met the INCOSE knowledge requirement already. I'll review my affidavit and I'll confirm the name that I want printed on my certificate. Next up, I'll choose my submission date and click the Set button. You do need to check this box to acknowledge that joining INCOSE before checkout reduces the cost of your application. So if you're not a member yet, you might want to consider joining to save you some money. If you have a coupon code, you can apply that. And then next, you'll either add a credit or debit card, or if you already have a credit card on file, you can go ahead and check that radio button. After that, click Next. And then you will get a warning. Your order is not complete. Just review the information and then click Process. Everything looks good, so all I have to do is process my order. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this short demonstration on how to apply for INCOSE Systems Engineering Certification.